Hello again, this is Kevin Schreiner, President of the Virginia Association of Surveyors. I want to invite you to attend our spring seminar to be held Friday, April 20th in Virginia Beach. The topic of this seminar is Unmanned Aircraft Systems, or UAS, commonly known as drones. Studies have shown that aerial surveying will be one of the leading markets for drones. It is expected to be in the billions of dollars. This technology could be the most revolutionary in surveying since GPS. In our seminar, you'll learn about using drones for surveying to serve energy, aviation, and transportation market applications. It will cover the need for rapid collection and delivery of high-resolution imagery and three-dimensional data sheets. We'll focus on operations and challenges of planning and deploying UAS. As you can probably imagine, flying a UAS also involves unique liability and insurance requirements. The seminar will include a special session on risk management. The seminar is being held at the Military Aviation Museum in Virginia Beach. That facility will enable us to have an on-site flight demonstration during the class. You'll earn 8 credit hours of continuing education for attending this seminar and gain valuable knowledge that you will be able to apply as you plan the future of your surveying practice. I want to thank Judy Beal and her colleagues in the Tidewater chapter and her firm Wolpert for their efforts planning this seminar. Registration is now open on the VAS website, www.vasurveyors.org. I look forward to seeing you in Virginia Beach on April 20th.